In today's fast-paced world, organizing information, managing projects, and fostering collaboration requires a versatile and intuitive platform. Introducing Notion, a comprehensive workspace that combines note-taking, task management, and database into one seamless experience. Notion offers a clean and open surface for thinking, writing, and planning, allowing users to create pages and arrange them as needed. With its flexible workspace, users can build a personalized environment tailored to their needs, enhancing productivity and focus. Integrated AI capabilities assist in brainstorming ideas, summarizing content, and finding information across your workspace, streamlining your workflow. Collaboration is at the heart of Notion. Share workspace, provide feedback through comments, and mention colleagues to ensure seamless teamwork. Manage projects effectively with customizable view, task assignments, and calendar integration, keeping your team aligned and on track. Notion provides a vast library of templates, enabling users to quickly set up workflow for project management, personalized goals, and more, reducing setup time and increasing efficiency. Whether you're a student managing academic projects, a professional coordinating teamwork, or an individual organizing personal tasks, Notion adapts to your unique needs. Experience the all-in-one workspace that brings everything together. Visit notion.com to get started today. Like, comment, share.